Good morning everyone, dear children. Today I am explaining about ratio and proportion related problem. Find the third proportional to given two numbers. Now I am going to finding that which proportional third. You know children, in proportionality A, B, C, D, like this four terms proportionality, you know that A, B, C. Three terms proportionality, you know that children. Here given two terms, find the third term means you go to ABC proportionality. ABC means that ABC are in continued proportion. You understand children. See, in four terms, if they give three terms, find the third or fourth means you take ABCD. But here given two only, find the third means you go to three terms. Now children, according to that, let A, B, C are continuous proportional. Now you know children. Next, here what is there? First term A. A is equal to what is there? 2 by 3 means I will write down in fraction. 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 2. 8 divided by 3 will come. B is equal to 4 will come. I want C term children, third term. See, ABC are continued proportion means according to the condition, you know children. See, ABC means B square is equal to AC will come. How it will come? I shown already. I will write once again. Three terms, three quantities are continued proportion means A by B is equal to B by C. Cross multiplication what happen? Then B into B, B square is equal to AC will come children. Like this. Three terms are in continued proportion means we will write down in the ratio, then we will do the cross multiplication. This formula will come children. Next, what is B value in the given term? This is A value, this is A value, this is B value children. I will substitute the values of B value. What is there? 4 square is equal to A value. What is there? I wrote already 8 divided by 3 into C as it is children. Now I want C means doing the cross multiplication. What happened? 3 goes to numerator of the left side. 4 square means 4 4s are 16 into 3 divided by 8 is equal to C children. Simplification, you know that 8 and 16 divisible by 8. 8 1s are 8 2s are. Finally C is equal to 3 2s are 6. Means third proportion C. I will write the conclusion. Hence third proportional is 6 only children. This is the answer. You should follow this method. I gave the one hint. If they asked third proportion, if they gave two terms, you go to ABC continued proportion. If they gave three terms, find the fourth term means you go to ABCD 4 terms proportional children. I will continue one more problem. Now children, here one more type of different question. Find the mean proportional between these two. A minus B and A cube minus A square into B children. These two are here, two quantities are there. We are finding the mean proportion means children. You understand children, two terms is there. They are asking another term means this is related to A comma B comma C children. B became mean proportion. B became mean proportional. Don't forget this method. Given two terms, find the mean means this will consider A term, this will consider C term. They are asking mean means B value children. Let you know that let A comma B and C are continuous proportional. Continuous proportional. Now you know that B is the mean of A and C children. B is the mean of A and C means we know that the formula mean square means how it will come, you know that one also I will write here. A by B is equal to B by C means otherwise A is to B as B is to C. These two B and B are mean means product became B square is equal to AC will come. Understanding children? See, this method I am using, we know that B is the mean between A and C means we will write down B square is equal to AC. Product of mean is equal to product of extreme. Product of extreme, product of first and third is equal to square of the mean term, children. Understanding, children? 3 quantity mean proportion, we will write down this method, children. You should keep in your mind, don't take confusion. Now, this one is A term, this one is C term. This is A term, this is, I will write here. This is A term, this is C term. We are finding mean. B is the mean, children. B as it is, B square is equal to, A value what is it? A minus B. In then C value, what is the C value? A cube minus A square into B will come, children. Now I want, what is B? B is the mean. I want B value only, square don't want. Directly not possible to remove the square. Left, right hand side what happen? I will write, look here, children, is equal A minus B as it is, I will write. In this two term, A cube and A square is it. A square is common factor remaining. In A cube, A square came outside means A will come minus B will come. Now, what you are understanding here, children? A minus B into A minus B became A minus B whole square into A square, children. Left hand side B square only. Now we are doing squaring on both sides. If I did squaring on both sides, not squaring, square root. Sorry, square root on both sides, children. Square root on both sides means square root and square, this will cancel. Here also square root of A minus B whole square into A square. Children, you know, this square cancel, this square cancel, this square cancel. Last answer, you know, B is equal to A minus B into A is the answer. Means, hence the answer, mean proportion between, I will write the conclusion, children. Hence, mean proportional between A minus B and A cube minus A square B is A minus B into A is the answer, children. Understand? This is B term, this is given A term, this is C term. A, B, C are in continuous proportion. I used this concept and I find out the mean value, children. Similarly, you should practice. Now, children, I am reading one more question. If x plus 3 is the mean proportion between x plus 2 and x plus 9, find the value of x. Where is x? X is the algebraic term of the given terms, children. Here x plus 5 is the mean proportion between these two means mean proportion k means here 1, 2, 3, 3 terms is there. You consider let A, B and C are continuous proportion. Continuous proportional. Let see which is mean. B is the mean term will come in A, B, C. Which is the mean term will come? B term means according to the ABC, B is equal to x plus 5 will come. According to the given two term, the mean x plus 5 is the mean between these two means this is first term A, second term B, second term C will come, children. A term is x plus 2 and C term is x plus 9 will come, children. No confusion? Understanding? This is the mean between these two terms. Let in the solution part A, B, C, A, B and C are continuous proportion. In ABC, B is the mean is x plus 5 written. Mean between these two means this is the first term A, this is last third term x plus 9, children. You know, according to the, we know that A, B, C are continuous proportion. Continuous proportion K means mean square is equal to product of first and third term A into C. Now I will substitute the value of B. What is there? What is the value of B means x plus 5 whole square is equal to A value x plus 2, C value x plus 9, children. Okay. Now simplification and finding the value of x. Very easy, children. Now x plus y is having O square, means it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square means x square plus b square means 5 square plus 2ab means 2 into a value x, b value 5 is equal to x plus 2 into x plus 9. You know children, product from x I will multiply x plus 9, x into x, x square, then x into 9 plus 9x, then from x I multiply this two term. Now 2 into x plus 2x plus 2 into 9, 9 2s are 18 children. Now what is next? Which cancel? Left hand side, this 3 term is a, right hand side 4 terms is a, x square cancel, left hand side x square, right hand side x square cancel. Next remaining 25 plus 5 square means 25, 2 into x into 5 means 5 2s are 10x is equal to, here 9x plus 2x became 11x plus 18 children. Now what is next? 25 is constant, 18 is constant. It is in the right hand side, it is in left hand side. Transfer to one side constant terms, variable term transfer to other side. Means 25 as it is here, then plus 18 comes to the side, minus 18 is equal to 11x. 10x goes to the side, minus 10x children. Now 25 minus 18, the answer you know that children, 7 will come is equal to 11x minus 10 means x is common, 11 minus 10 means 1 will come. Finally x is equal to 7, otherwise therefore x is equal to 7 is the answer children. What is the given question? Understand? Here they give x plus y is the mean proportion between given two terms. Here 3 terms are there, because I consider let a, b and c are the continuous proportion. I give b is the mean term, because mean term I give b. Remaining 2 terms, a term and c term, I consider according to the condition continuous proportion b square is equal to ac. I used b value and a value, c value. I simplified, I got the x value children. Similar problem you should practice. I'll continue one more problem. Dear children, one more problem. What least number must be added to each of the numbers, that numbers 6, 15, 20 and 43, to make them proportional? Dear children, easy question. Here how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4 terms are there, means we will consider a, b, c, d children. This 4 non-zero quantity proportional we will consider children. You know how to write? A is to b as c is to d children. Finally we will write down product a into d is equal to b into c will come. Product of mean is equal to product of extreme. You know 4 quantities are there, we will write down. But this 4 quantity incompleted, not positive, not showing the proportional. Some let number must be added to these 4 numbers, that 4 numbers became proportional. Means I'll come to the solution part children. Let least added least number be added least number be x children. Now I am adding these 4 numbers by x. What happened then children? See, 6 added with x means 6 plus x, 15 plus x, 20 plus x, 43 plus x children. See, then x added I consider, then these 4 terms added by x means that 4 terms became proportional. Means what least number must be? We are adding least number, adding x. We are going to finding that least number x value. How to find? These 4 terms write down in this method children. Write down this method means this is a term, b term, c term, d term. Write down this concept. I will write down, look here children. A term means 6 plus x is to, this is a term, b term 15 plus x as means 4 dots, as 20 plus x is to 43 plus x children. Now you know extreme term product into is equal mean term products, children. I will write, look here children, here what happened. Now 6 plus x into 43 plus x is equal 15 plus x into 20 plus x, children. 20 plus x. Now what is next? Remove the bracket and do the multiplication and simplify. You will get the x value, children. How to do? I will do, look here children. See, now from 6 I will multiply 43 once and x also. 6 into 43. 6 3 is 18, 1 carry. 6 4 is 24 plus 1, 25. 258 we got. 6 into 43 plus 6 into x, 6x. Over from 6 I multiply this two term. Next from x plus 43 into x, 43x, children. 43x plus into plus plus x square, children. Otherwise you should use your method. 6 into this two terms separate plus x into this two terms separate. One more step will come. You should follow that method. Is equal. Here also 15 into 20. 15 into 20 means 15 to 30 means 15 into 20 means 300 will come. 15 into x plus 15x plus x into 20 plus 20x plus x into x, x square, children. Understanding? What I did? First 15 into 20 I did. I got this one. 15 into x I got 15x. Then x into 20 I got x into x, x square. Over, children. Like here also, same method, children. You should follow this method, multiplication. Which term will cancel? Left hand side, right hand side. This is left hand side. That is right hand side. X square common is there. Both they are having same sign. Left hand side and right hand side. Any term comes to this side, it became plus x square minus x square. Cancel. 0 will come, that one. Next, remaining constant and variables. Dear children, here plus x square, right hand side plus x square, cancel. Why? Because in case, please, this right hand side x square come to this side, it became minus x square. Minus x square plus x square, cancel. We are not transferring, directly we are cancelling that side and this side. Remaining 258 as it is plus 6x plus 43x, addition 49x will come, is equal to 300 as it is, constant. This two addition became 20 plus 15, 35x, children. Now I want x value, means these two are constant. Constant transfer to one side, variable transfer to one side, variable term. Now 49x as it is I will write here. This 35x come to this side, minus 35x. Why? Because minus means this is having positive sign, come to this side, minus 35x is equal this 300 as it is. This goes to that side, minus 258, children. What is next step? You know, children, very easy. Then 49 minus 35, you will get 14x will come, is equal to 300 minus 258. 300 minus 258, 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 5, 4. Then 42 will come, children. Then finally last step, x is equal to 42 divided by 14 will come, children. Finally x is equal to 42 by 14 means 42 divided by 14 means is equal to what will come, means 3 will come. Finally then x is equal to 3 is the answer, children. X is equal to 3 means what they asked in this question means what least number must be added to given 4 numbers. That 4 numbers became proportional, means for 6, 15, 20, 43, the least number 3 added. 6 plus 3 became 9, 15 plus 3 became 18, 20 plus 3 23, 43 plus 6 43 plus 3 46. Then that 4 numbers became proportional. That only find out the least number added. Sometime what least number must be subtracted came means you should use at that time least subtracted number be x you consider. Then 6 minus x, 15 minus x, 20 minus x, 43 minus x, you consider like this. Here added is there because I did addition, children. Subtracted came, should use 6 minus x, you should write, don't write x minus 6. 6 minus x, 15 minus x. Then we will continue this method, children. A, B, C, D are proportional. That time we will write down in ratio that what is the product. A into D is equal to B into C. That method I used. I find out the x value, children. This is the x value, the least number added to the given numbers. Thank you, children. Dear children, one more question. If A, B, C are in continuous proportion, show that a square plus b square upon b into a plus c is equal to b into a plus c upon b square plus c square, children. By using a, b, c are continuous proportion condition, show that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Come to the solution part. I write down given. What is their given, children? You know, a, b, c are continuous proportion. Therefore, you know, children, I will write down a, b, c continuous proportion. You know that a by b is equal to b by c will come. But I am considering let a by b is equal to b by c is equal to k. I will consider, children. Like this, show that k means by using continuous proportion. You should follow this method, very easy. I consider let a by b is equal to b by c is equal to k means I will equate it a by b is equal to k means a by b is equal to k means then a is equal to bk will come, children. Understand it? Same method, b by c is equal to k means b is equal to ck will come, children. We got b a is equal to bk, then b is equal to ck. Now, next, children, a is equal to bk I got, b is equal to ck I got. In the place of b, I will use ck. This one I am substituting here, children. What happened? A is equal to b place I will write ck into k. It became a is equal to ck square, children. Finally, I will substitute instead of b, I will write ck. Instead of a, I will write ck square, children. Don't take confusion. First, given data a, b, c are continuous proportion. A by b is equal to b by c is equal to k. Consider. Then a by b equated to k. I got a is equal to bk, cross multiplication. Similarly, b by c is equated to k means b is equal to ck. Now, by using this two, b value substituted in the place of b, ck. Then what happened? A is equal to in the place of b, I substituted ck. K as it is, multiplication c into k, ck square. Finally, should use it in the place of b, ck. In the place of a, ck square, children. Now, coming to the given condition, now I will substitute left hand side. I will take, children, left hand side. Now, children, left hand side, what is a square plus b square upon b into a plus c, children. Now, what to do? You know, children, in the place of a, I will write ck square. A value having square means ck square whole square plus as it is. In the place of b, ck whole square upon in the place of b, ck. What I am doing, understanding, children? Instead of a, I am using this value. Instead of b, I am using this value. B value ck over a value again ck square plus as it is. C value not there. Only we know that a and b only. C as it is, children. What is next step? You know, children. Next step, remove this square coming inside means c square. K square whole square became k power 4 plus what is next step? Plus will come. Then ck whole square means c square k square upon this one. What can I do means, children? I will not remove the bracket. In this two, which is common factor? C and c common factor. C came outside means it became c square k only, children. Remaining inside what will come? C came outside means inside k square plus 1 will come, children. What is the next step? Now, numerator in this two, which is common? C square and c square common factor. K power 4 and k square is there. K square is common factor. Remaining inside, c square came outside, k square came outside. Remaining k square inside plus c square also came outside, k square also came outside. 1 only, children. Denominator c square k into k square plus 1, children. Which cancel here? K square plus 1, k square plus 1. Binomial cancel. Next c square cancel. 1k cancel is equal to, we got k. Left hand side simplification, we got k only, children. Now coming to the right hand side, RHS is equal to right hand side term b into a plus c upon b square plus c square, children. Now what I am doing, children, you know, b value, a value, I will substitute. From b value ck as it is, into a value ck square plus c as it is. C value we don't know. Next, denominator, b value what is it? ck whole square plus c square as it is, children. Now simplification, numerator cc common will come, children. You know, see in the bracket inside cc common came inside, c square and k remaining inside k square plus 1 will come, children. Denominator, this one square applying c square and k square. Here c square and c square common factor, remaining inside k square plus 1 will come, children. Which cancel now? K square plus 1 cancel. C square cancel is equal to k, children. See, left hand side we got k, equation number 1. Right hand side we got equation number 2. From 1 and 2, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, children. Here only small confusion. Which is b value, which is a value? A value don't consider this one. You consider this one and this one, children. C as it is continue. Take the common factor, simplify like this. You will get one term. In the right hand side you will get single term. The two are equal is there. From left hand side and right hand side equal came, children. Similar problem you should practice. Thank you very much.